Okay, I'm gonna show how to create a recipe um, on an Alhambra Plus, the panel view plus. Um, in this program I made in the admin menu, you're gonna hit recipe book. We're gonna create a recipe. This is some of the recipes previously made. We're gonna create a new one by hitting upload and create. Edit, that's for edit the name. Let's just a random name, test 2, click enter, and once test 2 is there, you're gonna go there and click restore. When it's restored, it's gonna show you the recipes. You can change the current recipes on the book and the recipes. This is the one you're gonna change. This is the current on the machine. Alright, so for the multiple rollover, well, stage 1 has three timers and one multiple rollover. The multiple rollover is how many times soak timer and agitation timer right here goes round and round and round and round and round. Once this multiple rollover is done, it's gonna start the surface sweep timer on the stage 1. Once it's done, cycle is finished. Stage 2 only have a agitation timer set point, and the stage 3 right here has agitation timer set point as well. It's a dryer tank. For the temperature, it's the same thing. Stage 1 tank temperature, stage 2, and stage 3. For the stage 1 and 2, that is wet stages, you can only set it for up to 200 Fahrenheit, a minimum of 35 Fahrenheit. For the stage 3 is a dryer, a maximum goes to 250 Fahrenheit, a minimum to 35. So once you are here, you're gonna go down the first recipe, the first cycle. You're gonna click enter. We're gonna change it from 1 to 9999, which is a lot. I'm gonna just put 2 cycles for now for this new recipe sample. Once you have a change made, you will see an across right here. The second one is this is all in seconds. This is all set in seconds. So if you have a minutes or an hours, you have to do a conversion. On a stage, on a stage 1 soak timer, I want, for example, 2 minutes. So I just hit here 120 seconds. For agitation, I want just a minute. So I'm gonna put it 60 seconds. For the surface sweep, another minute. So I just keep it there for 60 seconds. Scroll down. Okay, scroll down. That's the temperature set point. Like I say, I'm not gonna change it, but I'm gonna show you the minimum 35 to 200 Fahrenheit. You can't go above of that. For agitation timer set point stage 2, I'm gonna match it up with the second one, with the first stage, both of them. So I'm gonna put 180, which is 3 minutes. Stage, the temperature is gonna stay on 165. For stage 3, the dryer, I wanted 3 minutes as well, so I'm gonna set it for 180. And the temperature, if you see on the dryer, you cannot go above of 250. Some other equipments we have it for 275, but this one is a special request, goes to 250. Okay, we're gonna set it at 240. So once this is all set according to your parameters, you're gonna click here save. When you click here save, you will see here save successful. Alright, once it's done, you're gonna click download, and once it's download successful, on the recipe status you're gonna click back. You have to go back in, and you can go to any of these recipes, but I just want to show you what is saved on the machine, on the current recipes. What is the current one, which in this case is the test too. So you just click here restore, and you will see the current, the one we did. And that's how you create a recipe. To delete a recipe, you need to just select the recipe you're gonna delete. In this case, test 1, and it's gonna prompt a message here, and you just delete it, and that's it. That's what you have deleted. And delete successful. You go back. You go back in, you will see it's clear. That's how you create and download to the system the recipe, and also how to delete the recipe. And admin for operator menu, for operators, you won't have access to create or delete a recipe. You only have access to if you go here on operator access, and access to as an operator, administrator can go to operator. You won't see any other button than just restore and download, which in this case I'm gonna download the first one just to show. You're gonna restore first. Once restore successful, you're gonna see it here. You're gonna see what is on the first recipe, and this is what is current, and this is what you're gonna put on the system. So once it's selected, the one you're gonna get, you click download, click until you see here download successful. You go back, and you go back again, and you're gonna restore, and you see they're all ready downloaded. This is how you download and load and upload from the recipe book on a Panel View Plus. Okay, we're all set here.